Do you like farmhouse signs like this, but you don't want to pay the price at a store? Well, if you want to find out how to make them without having any special equipment like a Cricut or any other vinyl cutter, watch this video and I'll show you how. Okay, so the things that you'll need are a piece of underlayment plywood cut to the size you want, paint in the color of your choice. I chose white for my sign. Your phrase printed on a regular printer paper. Some plain old pencils. Some permanent markers or paint pens, whichever you prefer. A couple of foam paint brushes. Some 1" by 2" furring strips cut to length. And a brad nailer, which is totally optional. The first step is, of course, to paint your board. I didn't sand or do any kind of prep work to my board. I just slapped the paint on it and let it dry. Next, sand and stain your frame pieces and allow them to dry. I used Rust-Oleum stain and dark walnut. While everything is drying, flip your printed design over and scribble all over the back with your pencil, making sure all areas that have print are covered. If you need to, cut out your phrase so you can lay it out on your board. A handy way to make sure that everything lines up properly is to print your font with an underline. When you're laying it on your board, all you have to do is line up the underline and everything will be straight. Once everything is the way that you want it, begin tracing over your design. Make sure to trace the outline of the letter and not just write over it with a thin line. This will transfer the lead from the pencil scribbles onto the board. Once you are all done, remove the paper and begin going over the design with your permanent marker or your paint pen. Next, secure your frame pieces to your board using tape, flip it over, and use the brad nailer or hammer and nails to attach the pieces together. And here's the completed project. It's super cute and super inexpensive. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY project. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up down below, and if you haven't already, click the subscribe button and say hello down in the comments. I hope you all have a great week, and I will see y'all next time. Bye!